If you have ever used Alexa, face recognition to unlock your phone, or used a chatbot, you have already interacted with AI. Artificial intelligence (AI) is dramatically transforming the everyday life. Here is a high level understanding of what artificial intelligence is all about. Basic AI concepts to know. Artificial intelligence refers to the capability of machines to perform tasks typically associated with human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, and decision making. AI systems are trained on large amounts of data to identify patterns and relationships that help them make predictions and recommendations, and they improve over time as they get exposed to new information. AI terms you need to know. Machine learning. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that gives computers the ability to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. It involves creating algorithms that can analyze patterns in data and make predictions or decisions based on those patterns. Deep learning. Deep learning is a powerful subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks with multiple layers to analyze data and make predictions. Natural language processing (NLP). Natural language processing is a field of artificial intelligence (AI) that enables computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. It combines computer science, linguistics, and AI to build systems that can process and analyze text and speech data. NLP is driving force behind many AI applications we see today, including voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Home. Computer vision. Computer vision is a field of artificial intelligence that enables computers to see and interpret digital images and videos similar to how humans see and understand their environment. It uses machine learning algorithms to analyze visual data, identify objects, and perform actions based on what it sees. This was AI in relation with its different fields. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, do like, share and subscribe to Always. Also press bell icon to get notified.